Let's take a closer look at our heat exchanger. It features a tube pitch of 21 mm and a 3-row spacing of 22 mm. In comparison with similar units, ours use more copper tubes. As you can see, there are 32 U-shaped tubes, totaling 96 tubes due to 3 rows. This evaporator utilizes 96 U-shaped tubes, providing a significantly large surface area. Our Tianlong Pro Plus series excels in both cooling and heating efficiency. Besides I just introduced, the fin and plate heat exchanger are extremely large as well. Besides, an outstanding feature is the electronic expansion valves for heating and cooling are separated, which means cooling and heating allows independent control to ensure optimal performance for both heating and cooling operations. Moreover, we incorporate an auxiliary electronic expansion valve. Typically, many systems cannot open valves during cooling. However, our system allows for valve opening during cooling to increase enthalpy, thereby boosting cooling capacity by approximately 10% compared to conventional systems. The COP coefficient of performance for heating also sees an improvement of over 10%. Our system uses pressure sensors. As you can see, we use Sanhua brand. This is low pressure sensor and this is high pressure sensor. In addition to pressure sensors, we also utilize pressure switches. These pressure sensor and switches use at the same time and provide critical data for system monitoring and protection. Finally, when pressure exceeds safe levels, the pressure switch activates to protect the unit, ensuring dual protection functionality. You can follow our lens to take a closer look. Wotech stands by its products with a confident warranty, not a simple configuration stack. We are doing a good job of products. Real service to our vast number of consumers. Thank you all.